now we have 1, 2, and 3. Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. From the title of this vlog, you can probably tell that I am getting my second tattoo done. So my tattoo artist will be here in like any time right now. I'm getting a tattoo done over here. So this tattoo has to be really good. Like it has to be something that's really close to my heart because I pose with this hand. I pose with it. This is my profile side hand. So I needed to like be something that I never get bored of. So I have a couple of things in mind. I'm not really going to say anything right now because I might change my mind at the end moment. I have a couple of things screenshotted from Pinterest and I've spoken to him about it as well. Now I say this is my second tattoo because I already have one tattoo that probably nobody knows about unless you've seen like the last vlog where I gave you all a sneak peek into that tattoo. That was a spontaneous thing I got done last year. It has a real deep meaning in my life, so I wanted my first tattoo, I think my artist is here, my first tattoo to be that. I will tell you all the whole story behind that tattoo after we get this done, but now that he's here, let's go and discuss what we are getting done over here.
You're doing 2 tattoos.
Yeah, finger one I'm still like speculating. I think this is only good now.
First one is only good.
Running and writing me chahiye, but should we do the arrows a little longer? Should we do the eye as a moon? As a what denotes Islam? It's not really moon.
There's nothing as such that you.
So I wanted.
I mean, Arabic mein if you get, Arabic mein if you get na
I
faith.
have a word that I want to get in Arabic, but I'll get it later. Sabr in Arabic.
Yeah, that would be really
Yeah,
nice.
that will be nice.
Yeah, so abhi faith mein already that cross is coming, so it's already denoting your one faith. And then the other one you can do it later whenever in life. Now Arabic mein that sabr would be really nice.
It'll look good.
It'll look good.
So we'll get the sun and moon. Bare though, but little finger will be too claustrophobic for that. है ना?
I'm telling you middle पे करा दे या फिर
हाँ.
middle पे will look good I feel.
Middle will look better than index. What do you think, Amit? Index.
Then you do it on the index.
Okay, cool. Let's do that on the index. So I need an Aquarius tattoo. So the most simplest one is this. Just the water sign.
the water.
Yeah. But you want the tattoo? Do you want the tattoo? You want? What you want? You want? What you want? We'll get on your paw. Give paw. Give paw. Good boy. Good boy.
You could also got a paw, like.
Yeah, I know. I want a paw. I will get a paw tattoo someday, but it'll be on my heart. Like, it'll be close to my heart.
Yes.
Yeah. Come first. Come first. Come first. See what is this? See what is this? Oh, you're so dumb. You're so dumb. I don't have a bone for you.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry, and I don't wanna fight with you.
Now we have 1, 2, and 3. I'm calling my sister and showing her the tattoos, okay? Hi! See? I got my second one. देखा? Okay, parents are in Udaipur on vacay. I don't know if they'll answer, and I don't think they will be very happy about the 3 tattoos. Hi, Mama. Hi. What did you do? I'll show you. Look.
Oh, very nice.
You like it?
Wow, very good, man.
I got Aquarius here. See?
Are you
Three. Only two.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god, you guys, I think it's been over a month since you all last saw me and since I last updated you all on this vlog. I was just sitting to edit it and that's when I realized कि मैंने ये vlog खत्म ही नहीं किया है. So I just wanted to give you all an update about how my tattoos are doing and drum roll please. The tattoo artist is coming today again because my friends are getting inked today. I don't know if I'm getting inked with them or no, but right now my tattoo update. So this particular tattoo has healed really well. So it took a while for this to heal. Initially जब ये निकलने लगा था तभी it was very light, like it was not showing up at all. But then with my body heat and everything, this took up a nice color. And every different tattoo will have a different color, is what Amit said, because according to my body heat and the part where I get it done. So as compared to this, ये इतना dark नहीं है, but this also took up a really good color. Even though Amit was like finger tattoos fade. इसका भी कलर बहुत अच्छा आया है बट इसका कलर बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं आया है लाइक यू कैन barely see it. It's very faded. So today Amit was actually initially coming to darken this tattoo for me. But my friends also wanted to get inked, so today both of them, Tamanna and Purnima, are coming over to get their tattoos done. And I just might be getting my first twin tattoo with Purnima, which is crazy because I've never gotten a twin tattoo done with anyone. In fact, you know what? I want to get my second tattoo, the Arabic one that Shireen and I were discussing, also over here, so that I'll have both of my tattoos over here. But I'm a little skeptical कि अभी करा लूँ कि I should wait a little bit because ज़्यादा ही जल्दी हो रहा है सब. So yeah, let me still consider. You know I'm impulsive, and today my family is like all home. सब लोग घर पे आज Sunday है. So yeah, let's see how it goes. दिखाओ कितना बड़ा दिखेगा. कितना लिखेगी उधर? इतना बड़ा हाथ थोड़ा है तेरा.
छोटा सा लिखना मुझे इतना सा.
Mama, how do you feel?
How will she feel? I can feel the pain.
You can feel the pain. Purva, you're getting your first ever tattoo today. How do you feel?
I'm going to cry. That's what I mean. For sure.
It's not gonna hurt you, I'm telling you, नहीं दुखेगा. You know, you're the first person I'm trusting with a twin tattoo.
ये पैर पे रखा है ना उन्होंने.
Just shut up. Uncle, how do you feel that your daughter is getting her fourth tattoo? Oh, fifth. Do you also want to get a same tattoo with your daughter?
Not at all.
Sabrina, how do you feel?
I feel very nice when I want to get one tattoo done.
Are you scared, Purnima? You are scared. Please see the tattoo.
It looks like the,
हम लोग के पंख हैं, हम साथ में हो गए. Sabrina, why are you not in the frame?
तो है ही नहीं सुंदर. Fire so हाँ. तो अंदर घुसाएंगे तो दुखेगा ही ना.
Purnima is getting her first tattoo and it's with me. Woohoo! Whoa, dude. Dude, this is gonna be the... Oh my god. Oh my god. Yay! The shading hurt like a son of a... Tattoo number 5. Tattoo number 1. Did it hurt? एकदम सच्ची बोलना. थोड़ा सा ना. Alright you guys, last tattoo for 2020 done as well. This was such a spontaneous decision. I think I say this for every single one of my tattoos, but this one was definitely very spontaneous. I thought I would have only 4 tattoos by the end of this year, but it went from being 2 to 3 to 4 and now 5 by the end of 2020, and I love all my tattoos. Honestly, I can't even grade them. I got this one darkened and this one hurt like a... It hurt a lot, बहुत दुखा, because ये काफी like skin was still raw, so which is why the retouch up really hurt me. And the one on the ankle, when he was doing like detailing, tabhi it was hurting. So Purnima was last night deciding her first tattoo, and she wanted to get wings done, and I was like, that's such a cool tattoo, even I want to get wings done. So we were like, okay, let's get it together. So it was that spontaneous, and we 4 as a group are really close to each other. Like, they are my best friends, Purnima, Tamanna, Kainath and I. But 4 of us are going to get a tattoo together when Kainath comes back. She's in Australia right now studying, so when she comes back, we're going to get our first group tattoo together. That has been on our bucket list forever. So that is definitely going to happen someday in the future. But for now, we end this vlog and also this year on 5 tattoos. So like I promised you all, of course, a quick backstory about my first tattoo that is on my ribcage over here that says, with pain comes strength. So the whole point of that tattoo was I got it done last year in 2019 because I've had a rough couple of years since 2016 with my health. When it comes to my health, I've faced quite a lot of downfall when it comes to my health. In 2016 I was diagnosed with fibromyalgia, then 2017, 2018 I was battling that, and then in 2019 when I was just recovering from that is when I had to get my ACL surgery done. So back to back I've faced a lot of pain with my health, because fibromyalgia does not really have a cure. Y'all can look it up about what it is. It's a pain disorder, so I get flare-ups, and sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm not. When I'm not good, I'm in so much pain that I can literally, you can do this and it's gonna hurt me like as if 1,000 needles are poking me, which is probably why my pain threshold is so high, because I've seen an unbearable amount of pain during fibromyalgia days. So the whole point behind that first tattoo was I wanted to get something to mark that in my life. Like, whoever knows me knows how much that tattoo means to me, which is why I got it without telling anyone. Absolutely nobody knew about it. Like, my parents didn't know about it till like some days back. Like, when they saw the Alibag vlog is when they came to know about it, and luckily did not give me a bad reaction for that. So I think even they understood from where it came, because they saw me in those days of pain. So yeah, that was my first tattoo. I went with Fudge and got it. It was very spontaneous, but it's still the one which is closest to my heart, and I wanted to get it done somewhere where only I can see. So unless I'm really wearing a very short crop top, nobody really can see it. And it's a constant reminder for me that even though I went through those times, it made me stronger. That's why it says, with pain comes strength. And then I got my second tattoo over here which says faith with a hint of cross. So I have 2 religions that I follow very strongly. One is Catholicism and one is Islam. So I want to get both my faiths on both my arms. So I'm going to get my second Arabic tattoo over here very soon. But for now we have this. For me, faith is everything. It's what drives me. It's what keeps me going. I have immense faith in the universe. I think that's my fuel to my fire. And then I wanted to get a sun and moon, but I didn't want to get like a very big sun and moon, because it does denote really good strong energy. But I wanted a minimalistic one, and this has soon become my second or third favorite tattoo. I think now it's third favorite because the wings look killer. They look really good, so it's my second favorite now. And then I got my Aquarius because I'm crazy much into astrology, and I'm a true blue Aquarian. I'm so impulsive. This entire vlog screams Aquarius. So yeah, that is the backstory behind all my tattoos. Let me know in the comments if you all have a tattoo, or if you all are planning to get one, and what is the meaning behind your tattoo. That completes today's Vlogmas video. I hope you guys enjoyed. For today's video, the Sarah Squad shoutout goes to Hansika Singh. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sarah Squad shoutout, all you gotta do is hit the subscribe button, the bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video, Sarah Squad shoutout. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.